Let's look at case studies to show some real world examples of companies that are making the world a better place or are actually solving a problem in the world. Because not all companies technically have to make the world a better place to be successful. We know that. But these are three examples where we're going to go from one that's more of a nonprofit to a for profit company and show how they are defining themselves. With all of these case studies, what we're trying to do is show you real world examples of what we're teaching you in this class to tell you and to show that we're not just telling you nonsense. This is what people are actually doing to be a successful company, part of their digital marketing strategy. First, we have the Real Medicine Foundation. This is a nonprofit that works around the world solving some of the world's harshest problems. I actually did a project with them in college. I went over to India, went to a small village in the middle of India, Bilidoj, and we actually built a health center there, and we raised money in college. Really amazing project, and that's how I know about them. Right on their homepage they have their vision. So this is at realmedicinefoundation.org, and they talk about working with local populations to discover visionaries and leaders who are best able to solve the challenges faced in extreme poverty and disasters. Together, we create innovative solutions and strong communities that sustain the human capacity to thrive, turning aid into empowerment and victims into leaders. So this is kind of their vision. They don't specifically talk about the problems they're solving, but if you scroll down, you can see all kinds of things. They have links to, if you're interested in checking out. They do disaster relief. They work with different diseases, education, refugee support, malnourishment. That's what we were working on. So they have lots of different problems they're solving. So this is kind of a big overview of what they do. But I just thought this is a quick and easy example of pretty much any nonprofit you go to or go to their website. You'll see what problem are they solving. Let's move a little forward to a for-profit company that still has a similar sort of mission. Tom's. Maybe you've heard of them. They're the company that makes the shoe, where their whole thing, their whole shtick is that they give away a pair of shoes for every pair of shoes that are purchased. And they also have expanded to the same thing with glasses and other products. So right here on their homepage, with every product you purchase, Tom's will help a person in need. So with their shoes, you're actually paying for them to send shoes to someone in need. So that's the problem. They're solving they started out with that very specific problem of people in poorer countries don't have shoes. So what do? We sell shoes, and we charge a little bit of a higher price, but it's for a good cause because we're actually giving shoes to someone in need. So that's their problem that they're solving, and they show it on their brand, their website. Throughout this whole section of this course, I think it would be good to check out some of these companies that I'm showing you just to see sort of their whole brand identity too. We're going to talk more about that in an upcoming lesson. Lastly, we're moving from a nonprofit to a for-profit that has a really good mission about helping the world, to a company called Chubbies, which is on a mission to make the world a better place, but not by helping the poor necessarily. Chubbies makes short shorts for men and women now, but they started out as a company that made shorter shorts for men, specifically swim trunks, and then they expanded to just regular shorts. Now they're doing tops and everything like that. On their homepage, if you go to chubbiesshorts.com, you see their mission statement. And it starts with, we believe in the weekend. We believe that short shorts is a redundancy. We believe in swim trunks, blah, blah, blah. So you can read this yourself. But some of the stuff that they believe in, we believe in comfort. We believe, we do not believe in the top button. Some of this stuff is kind of funny, but at the end of the day, what their mission is and what problem they're solving is that people are too serious. And short shorts kind of breaks that mold. And I actually don't own a pair of Chubbies myself. I totally believe in their mission. Maybe I'll go ahead and buy some right now. But I think it's a pretty cool sort of company mission statement, and it's a problem that not everyone sees as a problem, but they've stuck with it, and people have really latched onto this idea, and it kind of helps come across in all of their digital marketing strategies, their social media pages, their graphics, the style, their voice, stuff we're going to get into in the next few lessons and sections. So these were just a few case studies. If you have any examples of your own with a problem and a solution, we would love to check them out. So send them to us. And I hope you enjoyed this case study, and we'll see you in the next lesson.